Hi everyone, today I'm going to draw a penguin.
That's right, we are going to be drawing a super cute penguin and we're going to have a little scarf on our penguin, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because it's super cute. This is a really nice, easy lesson.
Yeah.
It's going to be a really fun one. What are we going to use to draw?
Our Sharpies, our paper and our alcohol markers.
And our alcohol markers. You ready to go?
Yes.
High five, let's do this. Let's draw our penguin. Okay, so we're going to start with our penguin's head and we're going to do a semicircle, like a half circle, up here at the top, just where his head is. So we're going to draw a circle, a semicircle like this. I'm going to start here. You're going to start about here somewhere. I'm going to give you a little reference point, and then we're going to draw a circle, half a circle. Yeah, but you don't have to draw that reference point. You can just try your best and see where you go. So I'm going to draw like that. Good job, very nice, I like it. All right, and then on the sides, we're gonna curve it out just a little bit. Just like that, just a little curve towards, that's it. You can draw a little bit bigger. Great job. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line under here, and this is for the top of his scarf. So we're gonna come around, down a little bit, then back up. Good job. And then we're going to draw a little bit on the outside of our scarf. Perfect. And one more on the other side. And then we're going to join them together. And you want to draw a similar curve as you did at the top. Very good. All right, our next step is going to be drawing our penguin's cute little face. And we're going to start with his mouth. And what do we call his mouth? What do birds have?
A beak.
A beak, that's right. We're going to draw his cute little beak. So we are going to draw in the middle, sorry, about here. And we're going to, at the top of his beak is just going to be a little curve like that. Looks like an unhappy face. Very good. Oh, you've already done it. And then we're going to go down kind of like a V and then back up. Very good. I like it.
Mine is a baby one.
Oh, baby one. That's really cute beak.
Yours a daddy one.
Mine's a daddy one. The next thing we're going to do is draw his nice big round cute eyes. So let's do his eyes, and we're going to try to do a nice big circle. And then on the other side, try to do the same size. And we're going to give some highlights.
If you don't want to, that's fine.
Yeah, you don't have to draw highlights. We just think the highlights make him look super cute.
And don't colour out the sides.
That's right, we stay in the lines. Good job, we got our beak and our eyes, and now we're going to draw the cute little color that goes around his head, because they have a white face and then a black body. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw kind of like a smiley face above his beak. So it kind of looks like that. Very good. And then we're going to draw another semicircle that joins to this one from the side of his eye. So you're going to go around and then down.
Here.
That's right.
And start from here.
Perfect.
Okay.
Good job. And then we're going to bring that line slightly inward. So I'm going to start here and come down, and then you're going to bring it a little bit inside. So a little bit inside there. And you can do the same on the other side. Great job. Now we've got a really cute penguin. You can actually maybe draw a line here just to make that one a bit straight, because we're going to color in this penguin. All right, the next step is to do our cute penguin body. Yeah. And we're going to draw a curve that comes out and then in. And maybe we can draw a reference point where we want our curve to stop. So you want to draw yours maybe here. And you want to curve the line down. And sometimes you can pretend you're drawing the curve just to get used to it a little bit. So just pretend you're drawing it. Yep. And just go out and then in. Great job, good curve, I like it.
It sounds like when we're drawing wind.
When we're drawing wind, yeah. And then you can draw another curve from this side down to there. Oops, I missed it. But that's okay. Sometimes we can make mistakes. We're practicing.
Yeah.
And the next thing we're going to do is finish off our scarf. So let's draw a line from this side that comes down a little bit. And this is going to
So
be
it can be
tied around his neck. Yeah, and keep him nice and warm.
Yeah.
Right, so let's draw that line down there. You ready? Good job. And then we're going to bring a line up so it looks kind of like an owl. Very good. And then we're going to bring a line straight up again.
And we can't forget the things that go down.
Yeah, the little frilly bits. We can just draw some lines.
It can be long or short.
They can be long, they can be short, however you like them. Our penguin is looking super cute. What do you think? Right, next thing we're going to draw is his feet.
Yeah,
So-
his feet are very...
His feet are very what? Cute?
Yeah.
Alright, this is how we're going to draw his feet. We're going to draw two little curves, just small
very
ones,
small.
like that. One there, and one on the other side. Very good. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw kind of like a little cut on the side. Very good. And then we're going to go down and up. And then a cut on the other side. Very good. Excellent job. And then we just do the same on the other side. And then we can draw a line joining them in the middle. And let's join his body up to his feet. Very
We
good.
Can't forget his flippers.
His flippers. And this
That's
is an
the
easy one.
last part.
We're going to draw a line
Don't
out
forget his tummy.
and then back in. Just small little flippers, cute flippers. Good job. And then again on the other side. Very good.
Baby.
And now we just need to draw one more line, and this is where his white belly is. So we're going to draw a slightly curved line from his scarf down to his feet. So it's going to go like that.
Here.
Yep. And again on the other side. Amazing job, and that is our super cute penguin. What do you think?
Yeah.
Really good? Are you ready to color?
Yeah.
Great. We are going to be fast forward through our coloring, so you can always pause and catch up. We can do a different color scarf, can't we?
Yeah.
I might do a red one. Which one do you want?
Yellow.
You can do a yellow one. High five for your penguin. Let's do our coloring. Well done, you have done an amazing cute penguin. What do you think?
Yeah. Yours is cute too.
Oh, thank you. I really like your scarf. You used different colors. I did red and white, and you did blue, pink, and
Yellow.
yellow.
Blue, pink. Blue,
And it's
pink,
so
yellow.
cute. I think you've done an awesome job. And I'm sure all your penguins at home are just as cute. And if you liked our drawings, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, because we have loads more videos to choose from, don't we?
Yeah.
High five for you. High five for you. And we'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.